Welcome to Willis' newest acreage community. This gorgeous modern farmhouse is situated on nearly an acre. The open concept floor plan features a spacious kitchen with upgraded cabinetry, granite countertops, designer backsplash, stainless steel appliances, pendant lighting, a large walk-in pantry, and an island open to the family room. The oversized laundry room provides plenty of space for a freezer, folding table, or additional storage. Primary suite includes a spa-like bath with a walk-in shower with seat, double vanities, and ample storage. Secondary bedrooms are extra large, and the second full bath includes double sinks. Durable laminate wood plank flooring runs throughout the main living areas, with carpet in the bedrooms. Outside, enjoy a covered patio and a spacious lot ideal for building a shop or storing your RV, boat, or trailer. Additional features include a structure